Just find a way of settling, sitting, lying down, whatever your body is asking for in this moment. Allow what's beneath you to support you. Get comfortable, because we're going to bring forth 3 gentle commitments. And the first is a commitment to stillness. So if you can find a way to be comfortable so that you know you can honor a gentle physical stillness, a soft, easy stillness of the body, just for the short duration of this 10-minute practice. And the second commitment, allow everything to be as it is. We're not going to be trying. We are going to be allowing. We're actually going to be stepping back and noticing. Just embracing the natural state of awareness. Allowing everything to be as it is. We're not going to be creating, just noticing it. And the third commitment is to, whenever we find ourselves time traveling into the past or the future, those moments when we get lost in the mind, in those moments the commitment will be to bring as much kindness and patience to the act of simply moving our attention back, gently, easily, just noticing the fullness of what's here. So I invite you to bring the lightest touch of awareness to your breath now. Just notice it. Where do you find the signs of the breath moving in the body? Just noticing wherever the breath shows up for you in this moment. Not giving any attention to how it shows up, just where it shows up. And now place this soft spotlight of attention on the space around where you notice the breath. Not the breath itself, not the body, but the space around it. That roominess, that openness that holds the sensations of the breath. And as you feel into that space around the breath, you might notice that you begin to relax. If you like, you can let your jaw relax. You are the awareness resting in that space around the breath, around the sensations of the breath as it moves in the body. And some days you might find this space of awareness around the breath fills with sensations or thoughts of its own. And when it does, just step back into the space around the space of sensations, holding the space around the breath. Holding the body, breathing in this spacious awareness, stepping out into the space of awareness, holding the space. This relaxing, warm, inviting space that holds the breath and the sensations of the breath. A space of non-doing and just being. The body breathing, being presence. Being the life energy of presence. Naturally, effortlessly, holding the space in and around this awareness. And any time it feels too much, be the spaciousness, be the space around this awareness. Rest easily in the space. That thoughts arise within and pass through. Holding it all in awareness, in presence. And when you're ready, gently without rushing, let your awareness return to the room, to the space around the body, resting here in stillness. Feeling into the felt sense of presence. Feeling a sense of appreciation for knowing the life energy of presence